Good morning, my people. Good morning, YouTube. Bless upon yourself. And right now, people, we're back into the cold season. Can I talk right now? You see steam come out of my mouth like fraud, right? Yo, crazy. I get my people like it was just something like it was just yesterday. Me up on vacation, and my people, and then bam, back again. You know, vibes ain't really there for make no videos or nothing. And my entire energy just went back down. I see it, my people. So now we have to take back more good care of ourselves again right now, people. But today I'm not that with the pan. Today we come for showing how to get on a drive upgrade for renew back on a driver license in Toronto. So right now, that me out the right and now I try to renew my driver license because we're supposed to make some trips and we can't have driver license expire upon we while we're up on the trips, you know, because we don't know we have to drive up and down in these countries, right? So sorry for the last videos them and I never get no driving up and down in our tour in the countries. I really tour the different countries them like that and my people. I really I just really like stay up on the resort and just have a vibe and have a buzz upon the resort. You see, I really like to go outside and listen to that susua when I go to America public, but down the line me try my best. Cause sometimes more time I just sleep on the resort, you know, my people. And all I just do and just drink and sleep, you know, have fun, you know. God know, you know. You know, and nothing else to cloud your mind or shadow your mind, you know. But again, boom, my people. Bless up to everybody who just like and share and come back over here to the channel. You don't know it's 416-876 Jamaica. You see it, my people, and you don't know, say, me and man will walk and talk and show another place of Canada and Jamaica. Also, you don't know, say, the Dream Project. I don't know, say, at Christmas time I come, so you don't know, say, we might have got touch back upon the Dream Project, right? We have got touch back the island very, very soon. Again too, so all that too we have to go look out for right now too also. You see it, my people, so but just I warm up my car right now, my people, because you don't know, say, once a winter time you have to warm up your car, you know, my people. You see it. Oh, that them has some coolant low. Go back. Think something come up, you know. And that's some coolant low. I don't know, that's some coolant low, my people. But right now, my people, I can say, alright, that's it's still up on 0. I need to warm up the car, I need to warm it up. Right, you know, you see, because out there so cold, you know, my people, like, people don't take Canada for joke if you not come to Canada, you see. Don't take them things for a joke, man. Over here, really cold. I mean, you see the people, them send them hard earning money come going on the dust. Even for $50 or $20. Just know, say, I love in that. Yeah, man. I love the $20, the $40 or the $50. Yeah, man, because right now, nobody now call me and get a thing from me, you know. Me and you could be the best of friends or the closest of friends. Mother, father, uncle, sister. I don't have it. I don't have it for getting nobody right, you know. God know. Because you work on all your own project. And then seeing people you see you work on your own project and still try to cripple you. You see? So we know in that right, you know, no people. We know in that. I have to big up my family them over here, you know, because if I never for them, you know, man, I my darkest time all day, all this week. All these couple months when I not really out there work like that. I imagine if you have a pay a big bill. And my family make me finish all my done up my house at Jamaica, you know, my people. Because if I never for them, you know, people. That'll be hard for me over here, you know. So Father God, give me a hope and a way. But boom, more people, I'm up on the topic there right now, soon up on the next new topic soon again, because you don't know how to start, you know. So we just go drive and go on a tour right now, people. We are going down to the Victoria Park and Lawrence area for renew our trucking license. So see with the trucking license now, my people, for you have to renew that now, you know, you have to do now for the ear brake spot, you have to go online now, you know. Yeah, man, you have to go online and do a practice test online. Because the man send your paper upon that now, so you can't just go in there and just go do it, so but. So I do it on the online thing already. And now I'll go in and see how the test is. I make sure I leave out early because I know say a long day waiting. When you try to get back your driver, renew your driver license, how much money you have to go pay for renew it and stuff like that. So I just want to see how the test is, so I know I'm going to feel the test right now, because a long time I don't do tractor trailer, right? And AZ I have, right? So I have to know that too. So I might even downgrade it back to a DZ, so I don't have to do them. Because I don't think I go back to drive no more tractor trailer truck at the end of the day. No, I don't think so. I don't think I go back to tractor trailer, my people. I don't even think I have to go back to trucking from me get the panic attack there and exotica, whatever attack them want to call it, yeah, my people. But from me get them attack them, my people, it's just a fear for just drive again. You understand? Alright, my seatbelt, me soon put it on, man, I reach a stoplight, man. Yeah, man, people, so me just have a fear for just drive a long distance now. I don't know why, but from that time, me da drive a truck, me just don't want to go back and drive no more truck right now. So next year, I just straight film production stuff. Me just go aim for do to get all that 3 days a week. Me good enough with that. So I'm still not work over and work myself. So my body should be capable of doing them 3-4 days there a week right now. Cause I don't know, so we still are there on a mission to finish the dream house, right? The dream house still is #1 priority in life right now for me. So, and after that, if I go breed up a girl and call it a day, you see it? Yeah, man. That is it. That's what's right. You know, but you have to get the structure first. So when the dream house is done and complete, then we move on to the second part of life. Yeah, man. But we still are go on in Canada with people. We still are go on, still are fight it. Every day is a hustle, every day is a struggle. Body pain still did it, but it a go away. So Father gotta talk to me in the right way this time. You understand, people? Yeah, man. And again, I have to big up Father God every day. You see my people. Like I'm telling you, people, today is just a talking vlog. And sure now, forget it, trucking lights, but while we are driving, we can talk, right? Yeah, man, my people. So I don't think I go back to the AZ no more. So I'm gonna see if I can downgrade and don't do that test and just do the air brakes test and see if I can just get it done that way, because I still want my trucking license, because I never know what can happen one day out there in a life and I need my trucking license, right? So that's why I'm always try to have my trucking license. But if the AZ thing I just easy practical again, I just go back home, probably just do the test one time today and just feel it, just to see how the questions are. And then I just go back online and just, I have my papers or my books, and just go study for the week. So next week I know so I go back out there fresh. Next week Monday, I know so we just go get it one time again and we call it a day and wrap that up and get my driver license and book the ticket for go where I go and call it a day. You understand, my people? Yeah, man, my people. So every day is a fight for me out here, and every day is a struggle to get out of my bed, because my body still not really up from them time that till now. But now what I feel back, we are up right now, so I have to give God thanks. Yeah, man, every day. And again, my people, if you're into trucking, my people, tell you something. From you get your trucking license, people, you can't go broke in this country here. Because there's always a trucking job to get. Right now I fall 3 servicing jobs out there me used to do. Where you drive the dump truck them and the leaf blow them hook out on your back of your truck, and them and pick up all of the leaf them from all of the sidewalk and stuff like that. Right now. So you have the leaf blower jobs right now where you can go do. You understand? Only part company that I get about $32 hour for the one right now. Winter time I come up back right now, you can go do salt truck and plow truck and all of them stuff. But I now go back go do none of them things, because them things mess me up with the hours and the time in one of them time there. Them don't really care about your health also. So but again, it's a fun experience if you're not really work in a winter time and you need to know, so you have to pay your bills and you have to pay your rent. Go and go do salt trucking and a plow trucking job. It's not as bad, but it's not for everyone at the end of the day. And surely just not for me, right? So when I say go and go do that, if you don't enjoy do them things, you understand? Also, you have cement job, same we have go and call house still building in winter time. You understand? So, I just tell again. And this goes to both male and female that you can go out and get your chucking job, chucking license at the end of the day. It's not just for one person. Only for female, I say I drive trucks right now and I make very, very good money. Like me I tell you, so them I take over the man industry like hawk. You see, the woman I do construction work right now, woman I do everything. Yeah man, all of the trade works, them some man woman no want do. Woman them out here do it. Yeah man, people says I'm cleaning up my back seat so I can't custom today, but everything right beside of me. I mean I go on vacation, I mean need space for suitcase. Yeah man, so it got more time man people. But yeah man people, some put on my seatbelt then now man. Come on now, I can't stop bash me now. Jaja. More time I don't really like seatbelts than my people, God no. I'm not gonna tell you no lie. Yeah man, I really like driving with seatbelt more time, but safer thing for do still, but when I'm driving on my car, I really like driving with it still. I don't know why, because one time I get in a car accident and yeah, it saved my life, but the pool it gets straight and it get on my chest and my body. I never really up for them type of pain and stress there, but I go through all that pain and stress and mental stress right now. But I can be comfortable with any pain and stress right now in our life because when I go through a couple of weeks and months. Yeah man. Sometimes when some people talk, so them I go through things, you know, you probably laugh off of some man and some woman out there and say, like, yeah, tell man. And you don't know what the infidel really going through, you see it? Nah, lie man, you know how long it take me to come back and say me I come go try to do all 2 vlog video. Every day I get up come from vacation and say me I go try to do a vlog, and no energy, no spirit, no dead. My mind not dead if you do nothing to my people, and sometimes Father God will say you just need a break here from everything, yeah man. So I just shut down and go stay in my yard and just stay in my bed when I not do no editing or no computer work, or I come back and have to do some computer editing work, you know, because you don't know say photo shoots and video shoots. I do also up on the side. Used to do it as a full-time job, but right now the way the economy is and the people them not really have no money to do a lot of photo shoots right now and a lot of music video. This year I think I 1 music video I do or 2 music video I do out of the entire year. Sometimes I used to do 13-15 music video for the year, or 20 sometimes. I mean I get a lot of video shoots, right? Photo shoots are 20 photo shoot for the month, 25-30 photo shoot me I get for the month. Yeah man. But right now everything just dried right back up. Like I never see it so dried before. The economy just went dry. So that's why me have my trucking license. I'm gonna do back to trucking. You understand my people? So that really helped me out and save my life right there. So yeah man, that's why I tell all I know again. You have your trucking license as a backup plan for whatever you want to do in life. You understand? Because when things go south, you can go north. Yeah man, you can get up and still go have a job somewhere out there no matter what. So and when I renewal time to get back my trucking license, I have no problem, you know. No problem at all, my people, because at the end of the day, without this trucking license, there's no good, nothing go on for me. Although I can work back on my film production, you know, but like again, at the end of the day, when I fully back, capable back of driving a truck again, I can always go back and drive a truck, watch out. Look at accident that go on in my man, my people. Look at accident that go on in my man already. For sure, some of them people are not focus, my people, they're not focus, man. Look accident that go on in my man already. That's one of the reasons why I say I don't really want to do too much trucking, because the fear of even crashing in somebody is really, you know what I mean? Like, I really, and then when you have all of them look attack you, them look panic attack you and them stuff like that, you don't really want to go have that, you know, people life in a year. And you know, so if you know, say you're a little sickly person, you don't want to really go drive no truck and stuff like that, you understand? And you know, you remember people life you have in your hand. Yeah man. And again, to my people, like you can do all school bus if you don't want to do trucking too, you know. You can do school bus part time Also, my dad do it, but you don't really pay too good, so not really look upon that. I get about $80 there or $70 there, because I remember you work about 3 hours in the morning and 3 hours in the evening, or 2 hours, and that's about it, They might have field trip days and stuff, you get some gigs, but otherwise from that, you don't really make not too much money off of that, but again, that's for most like older people and most females. A lot of females may see do it also, so you can go to school bus thing too. Yeah, man. But definitely like I just talk, we are talking about people, you see. Talk with the power mind today, Show now if we're getting a license right now, because we are drive go up to the license board here right now and see how this exam is. And when we're done still with people, we'll come back and make them know we'll go on also. You see? Now left in a shadow this time, man. Yeah, man. But again, my people, we have to just strap up and just go out the back and do what we have to do, man. Although it's hard more time. I see my family get up, or when my stepfather sick and things, still have to get up and go out there in the cold, go do field work. My mother sick out. My mother still have to get up and go out there, you see it. Me sick out, me stay in my bed. So I have to thank and appreciate that about when me sick out, see me, I still have to go out there, go get up, go work when it's time for go work, no matter what. But yeah, you see, more time I always tell some people, you have to fight your battle difference, or you want to fight your battle difference, you can stay at your home, and sometimes your family in and thing. But at least say somebody always did the fear when you go out and move back by yourself, remember, you're out there by yourself, Any little thing can happen to you, you understand? Me I try to see my people, so them things I mean you look upon in a life, yeah, man, so you're always gonna be that family person, call it a day. Yeah, man. But right now people are drive down to Victoria Park right now. Hopefully you can see how we are driving, So I drive down to Victoria Park right now. Both of them in front of me slow though, man. I tell no lie. Now when I move, you're moving, bus boy. But them have all this big craning thing in front of me. My brake spot them I need for them people, but I can't do brake spot and I take trip at the same time. Plus we have to take off the car off the road because winter time we can't drive Benz in the winter. And I do it this year, last year I do it. And I do it this year. I take it off the road, yeah, man. I call it a day. Yeah, man, my people, so can't just go and drive with them people. So right now we're down by this up on Lawrence today right now. We are going down to Victoria Park. I think our Birchmount we'll soon reach. Right, that's our Birchmount we are going to reach right here now. Again, my people, I don't know where so much people are obviously on this road, but every day the road pack up morning, noon and night. Morning, noon and night. Them not give you a break. The road not give you a break, man. Jaja God, man, like every second there's people. Alright, them a move over. One car beside of me. You go on, because you need to drive gun away. Hold on, just a slopey road. So right now people they are Birchmount. And you saw Birchmount update now people back in the days. Birchmount never looks so, Update them update, the building is always there, but them new condo here with them a build up over this now. They never did it. You can see right over this now them a build up new condo no matter you can't get condo for 200,000. That was then. You can't get no condo for no $200,000 again in this damn place here. And I wish Canada you get to yeah, in Canada you can, but not in Toronto, Scarborough area, so I say people outside cold, outside cold, my people. And me for tell you, I don't know why I choose this morning for go out there to do this. Crap, the camera. For go out there, so I go get driver license, but I have to get it done quicker, sooner the better. And my body up this morning, and my mindset just say, listen, outside we are going, we are going to get this driver license today and get it off our head. So I can plan my next days of weeks about to come, and later I have photo shoot for go do it. So can't wait later. I don't want the week done, I'm going to get this thing off of my head. Right now people are approaching up to Warden and Lawrence area. A lot of food place around here, so now my people. A lot of nice different food place around here. Oh, them have the legendary SLB shawarma. I need to try it. I never know. So them have them around here, you know. Them have shawarma bars, nacho bars, tacos and all of them things. So they make this like a nice little strip for a lot of different type of food around here. Yeah man, people, sorry, 1 second. People, so right now we just pull up now at the drive center spot. I'm gonna show you where I drive because people call me and I have to talk to people and all of them things there. Sure. So right now people, we just pull up to the drive center test place. Alright, that's now it's in Victoria Park and Lawrence. Just where you get your renew your driver license and stuff and that, and probably pay your fines them for your tickets. But I don't think you pay your tickets right here, so I never pay your tickets fines right here so before. But right, that's how you go. And you get your driver license or renewal or stuff like that. So we have Victoria Park and Lawrence area. So right now people, I'll go inside and see what's the requirement. Line them always long in here, my people. That's why I always tell them to come in early, you know. So I'm going there and show you. I'll probably go in there. I don't know how long it's going to take, you know. So you can see the lines them inside here always long. So I don't know how long we're going to stay here. That's going to make sure I come from early in the morning. So yeah, I'm going to see right now what I'm going to go on. So, yeah. I know so we can't really record too much in here, so, but that's what I'm showing the local process and procedures of the waiting and stuff. Right now, not long waiting because we're on a line right here, so but probably in the evening time we'd have a local line up too, right? So that's good. So I'll try to renew this driver license today and shoot in the back. I'm gonna know what go on today and stuff like that. Alright, my people, so again everybody, bless upon yourself. 416-876 Jamaica, you know, I don't know. No, so many people line up and things, but it's more November, so we don't really line up, you know. Bless upon yourself. Alright, my people. In this code to register to, I don't know what we are registered for, but the person sit down right there, so you can just log us in and stuff. You might tell me, so we have to scan a code to register. Wait, well, so right now this is what it is. Translate French to English. I don't know what's going on right here.
Now serving C045 at counter number 13.
Continue. Alright people, I'm gonna fill this out and let you guys know what's going on. But yes, so people, so when you fill out the form and stuff, then you go back and then get this, and then now you have to go wait for your number. You look on the board, you have to go wait for your number, and then you'll get through. So now I'm at C70, now they are C51, so I probably go outside, drop off the camera, carry back again, and probably chill out for a little bit.
Now serving A1663 at counter number 16.
20-30 minutes. So that's how you come early when you come on them place. You have to come here early when you do them things here, you understand? Because if you ever come here late, people, you now get through for now. So that's why I make sure you get up early and say, you know what? I don't really come out early, you know, but you have to do what you have to do, you know. And Father God give you the energy and strength. You have to do what you have to do, you understand? People talk to them, you know, I'm going to shoot all a hood video too, you know, but place too cold for me right now to go over there, so I'm going to a national thrift store and probably go to a couple more stores and stuff like that. And I could have walked with a couple of stores where I'm going to my people. Nah, I'm going to lie. Look like they move it still. So I leave that alone. I walk going to a thrift store, people. A link on the back. I'm not out. I'm making get no more update when I finish the tests and stuff like that. Alright, my peeps? I can know what go on. Bless up. We're back, YouTube. What's up? So right now, people, we just went in and we got the paperwork to go do our exams, right? So them change up the exam thing now, people, and then change up how people get your trucking license now. So right now, the man tell me say, back in the days when we'd go for our trucking license, we'd go sub schools and stuff like that, and probably do like a 3 weeks or a month, and boom, we get our license, right? Now I think you have to do hours and time, and right now, man, say your trucking license can hurt up to all $15,000 to all. Some man pay all $20,000 because they have to do the schooling and everything like that, right? To get them trucking license. So the man I say, why you want to downgrade? Because I say, right now, I'm not even really use the A like that. The man say, don't do it because you never know what can go on in our life one day and everything change up, right? So I'm say, keep it because people are pay out $25,000 now just to get the license that I have. Yeah, man, people. So if you see how much my license is worth right now, so the man say, don't do it. Just come back and come do the test and thing. Because I never know if I study for. That's why I'm come up here from early. So I go home and go study. Probably by this week. I'll go back over there probably Friday in the morning. Go study for one full day. And see. So now, then change up all of the tests now. So you have to do now the ear brake is online. Because remember we'd have to do ear brakes when we come here, right? So now the ear brake is online. So you don't have to do no more ear brake here. And that's good because the ear brake I'm always fail upon. So now I don't have to do no more ear brake. I just do it online and get it over with. Right? So that's done because the ear brake me that practice and I study. Come to me always fail me ear brake. I always pass the next one, but I always fail my ear brake. So now I have to do my A test and my C test. So that's my trucking test for drive a tractor. And I have to do my C, and that's to drive the bus, the coach buses. So like my 7 people, I have an ACZ license, so I can drive anything out there. So I have to do those next tests right. Not right now, but this week I have to go do them. 1 second, my people. Somebody will call me. Yeah, man. So forget your A's license now. We have to go do the test, the written test over to do that. And your C license and your D, because back in the days, that's why my dad just don't to get back the D and just get the D, because I just like straight trucks now. I need to drive no more tractor trailer. But now the guy is saying that it makes no sense no more, because now D people have to start doing the written test also. So the ministry change it again, so everybody now have to do their written test no matter what or anything like that. They have to do them written test. Why would you just stop like this? It's idiots, man. So now we all have to do the written test. So just remember that too. Everybody have to go out there now and do the written test for the A, C, B, and D license. So any commercial license now, you have to do your written test to get back your life, renew your license. Alright, the Z, you can just do it online now for your ear brakes, and that's for free. So that's good, because last time I have to pay a school going for the weekend and then pass you and stuff like that. So now you don't have to do that no more. So now you just have to sit down in your yard and go study your books for the A and C. So that may I go home go do. Probably not right now, probably not evening time. Get up and study it out for two days and try to go back in Friday for see if I can pass and just get it over with and done with, because I think that 20 question and you can only get 4 wrong. So that too. So end of the day, my people, it's always best, like I say, for have your trucking license if you can have it, just in case of emergency anytime. One day you never know when I might fall back and need it. Alright, so I always have my trucking license no matter what, and my busing license. So any day I can get up go get a one local job if anything goes so. But like I say, I think I'll go back to any trucking jobs or driving jobs for now, because my headspace can't take it right now. So I don't think so, but I have to renew my license, because license worth out $25,000. So why would I give it up? Why would I do such things? I can't do that, man. So again, my people, I want them to just enjoy the vlogs them, my people. More vlogs are coming. Just like up the vlogs them, support the vlogs them, see them way. House vlogs will be coming soon. Update on the dream house will be coming soon. Probably do a couple more hood videos coming soon also. If I'm going to the west, I try to do a couple more mall videos. Also, you don't know, so I'm gonna walk and I'm gonna talk same way just like right now. Alright, my people, so this is called a dump truck, my people, right here, so if you don't know. And that one is a DZ license. So straight trucks, you just need a DZ license to drive the one day. Alright, so you don't really need to do too much. And DZ is easier to get than your AZ. So if you're interested in trucking and stuff like that, I'd also get a DZ because you work for the city more time and you work in the city more time. You have to go long distance as an AZ truck driver. AZ truck driver, yes, the pay is a little bit better-ish if you have the right connection, you have your own truck and stuff like truck and all of them things there. Dumb trucks and stuff, them pay you good money. Straight truck style depends. And like again, I don't really want to drive no long hours no more if I go back to trucking. The most me that I do 8-hour shifts. That's it. No more than that. Just 8-hour shifts and go me yard. No 10, 11, 12 hours and then still have to drive go me yard. And no, I can't do them type of life there no more. So Bridget now tell me say I have a job and you can open me up on, but him start like 4 o'clock in the morning and finish 12 o'clock in the day. But me I'm a morning person, so you have to pick your poison, yeah, man. So it's always something else, my people. Always something else with these work life. And again, my people, I always telling you, we're just workers over these countries, so don't make it get to your head. Always see if you can put with something and buy back something on your yard, anywhere you come from, because at the end of the day, this country is not our country. So always remember that. Always remember, say, you need to see. I'm going to make a next video upon that, my people. You're going to leave it alone. Because you see how Trump, and Trump will tell us, say, he's going to do a whole heap of devastation thing to immigration laws and stuff over there. And just remember, me always telling you something. Don't run your yard for foreign and then you get knocked a foreign and you have to go back a yard. Don't do it. Alright, my mama warning and telling you, it's not going to be pretty out there, my people. It's not going to be pretty, so just take heed. You understand? Yeah, man, my people. Some people just going to finish up this vlog right now. And I hope you just enjoy the talking and the driving with me. I hope so. Now you know how to get your driver license again. It's a Victoria Park and Lawrence. You can get the G1, your G2 there, and your G there, and stuff like that. And yeah, so if you're new drivers and stuff, you just can go to that one. If you live in the east side region, I think there's one in Whitby or Oshawa also, and I think there's one at Dansville Park also. I think there's one downtown too that you can go to also if you get your G1, register for your G1 and stuff like that. So you can check them the place out and see what's best for you. You understand? But I just do my best for me because I'm living on the east side. I'm up on the east side, you understand? But I want to just go check it out and get a license, my people. Because you know, obviously, when you have your G license now, people, you can always get out of one job. Or when we have the snow truck, them have G license drivers who just drive the pickup truck them and them do stoplights. Alright, so one time I was a man and them girl that did the stoplights. So them clean all of the, not the stoplight, the bus stops. So they clean all the bus stops and stuff like that. And you just need a G license for that. So sometimes the woman that drive and the man come out and jump out. So these are the bus stops, me at all my people. So you know, say in the winter time, the whole of this gets snowy, right? And stuff like that. So in the winter time, a whole heap of couples do it also. So the woman drive and the man just jump out and clean up the bus stops them and salt it and then jump back in and go warm up himself, and then she drive him to the next stop and jump back out and probably have to do 100 bus stops a day or 50. I don't know how it is, but when me I work 12 hours, 13 hours, 15, 16 hours. Sometimes one time I work 20 hours straight. I do I clean snow. Yeah man, some people are my boss in dead now and work 36 hours and that kill him, stress kill him. And overwork means he never want to go home. He just love money and see what money put you. So Father God slow me down to, and can't say, yo, money. So sometimes you have to listen to Father God say more time, So everything is not about money more time. It's about living and life and health also, right? But yeah, money still play a big factor in our life in this economy, cause without money over here, so it's like you're just dead same way you are, man. God know, because over here, so life just hard. No joke, the life is just hard over here, my people. And I don't know, joke thing, I know right now the life is even much harder for a lot of people, because everything I go up again. The new year soon kick in, and yo people, I just want to like, share and subscribe and just enjoy the vlogs, you know. I just try to come back out with daily vlogs again. I'm not sure if I'm going to try to do daily vlogs, but probably every other day me try my best again now, because like my body is coming back again, my mindset is coming back. If you want to sit down on the camera again, and you know, it wasn't there before like that, and now to them just finally get back up and get the strength. So now I say what a lot of people go through when I say them do vlogging, and sometimes their mind just the inner it or them body are. What's up YouTube, and I'm back at the driving test. You can see it's the next day, my people. And yeah, we just go do the test again, my people, but we failed again miserably. So with this driving test now, my people, you have 3 tests. Me have to do 4 tests. I have to do the air brakes. I have to do C, that's for driving bus. And I have to do A, that's for tractor trailer. And then I have to do the symbols, right? So yesterday me forward back over again, I passed 3 out of 2. Well, 4 out of 4, because I do air brakes online already, right? So now I just a tractor trailer part, but now I just take it over again. So my second time, now I have to pay again. So every time I fail, you have to pay $23. You understand? So every time I fail, you have to pay $23 to take it over again. So you have 30 questions per license, per AC and the rules, right? So 30 questions. So if I get 26 right, you can only allow if you get 6 wrong outright, right? And I get 7 wrong again. Yesterday I get 7 wrong. Today I get 7 wrong. Hopefully next time I just don't get no wrong, yeah, man, cause boy, oh boy, them things are really mind-boggling more time, you know, because you just try to just get the license and over with, you know what I mean? And me thought every 5 years you have to go back, go get the light, you have to do back the test them over and over again. And more time you not even drive tractor trailer. So more time your mind not even depend on the question them with them ask you and all of them things, but the system we have to all do it, right? But boy, oh boy, oh boy, man, it a beat my bad, man. All when you study online, the question them show you upon this a different question. You understand? So them say more you just study the AZ book and call it a day, because the question them give it easy, but some of them comparable. So you might go so bam and pick all the wrong one and you think I right one more time. Because multiple choice them same way, my people. But boy, oh boy, man, it a beat my bad, man. I gotta do it one more time today again, you know. And when I feel again, I might just go back again for the 3rd time and call it a day. And I feel again, I just go me hard until Monday, you know. God knows. And I think I go back go do it again today. God knows, because my mind now go do it. My mind said, nah, I go do it again for today. But that's one of the things where you have to go through when you get back your driver license again in Toronto. You see it? In Ontario at the end of the day. And I think I probably all of Canada. But I'm not sure, because Ontario I'm living at, so I'm not sure. Right? But we're back on the journey again, trying to just get this easy. I just want to include this in this video, because I don't want, if you don't know half the video, I don't understand what go on. So the driving video just going to be about me getting my renewing my driver license. And hopefully we just get it over with and show you the process. So see you way. And again, you know, people, today is a Saturday, you know. So you know, so every time you feel, you know, so it's the next half an hour wait, 45-minute wait, that, you know, because the line up long. I remember the schoolers, they didn't know, the school picnic, them didn't know, because they know, so they can't come in a weekdays because at school and thing, and by the time they come out them place, they full up, or the next day I'm going to come, so then come on the weekend. So now I never know that. So Saturday now daytime, I now come back. But I know, so I feel again today, I come back Monday. But I feel again right now, I go back again. Remember, you know, every time I feel again, my people take you $23, you know. So every time I feel $23, yesterday one man told me say, a 16 time I go for film G1, you know, man. 16 times, you know, in one day, you know. And a G1 that, you know, something where just common sense to pass, you know, but again, somebody that probably say, hey, it's just common sense to pass from here, but from here I drive tractor trailer, you know, but I haven't driven a tractor trailer in years. I drive straight truck. Dumb truck and them thing now, but tractor trailer I never drive, but I can't make my license just go down the waist, cause right now if I get my license, $25,000, you know, you see it, so. And you never know if one day I get up on my body say, yeah, go drive back to tractor trailer here and there, you know, go back over states and things, you see it. So you never know what life give you, you know, so you don't want to mess up your license at the end of the day, you know, so that's why I come back and I fight for it, you see it. Just renew it because I don't know I have to make a trip soon and I can't go on the trip without renewing my license because I go gone for months. You see it, so I need a license in the next country there to drive around at the end of the day. But people, I go update you again to make you know what go on with the license situation for today or when me get it. Me make you know. You understand? Bless up on yourself.
Wear glasses or contacts?
No.
Okay, and this one is, oh, you wrote yes there.
Oh.
Yeah, so you have to scratch that out, check, yep, it's initial, awesome. And then do you have suffer from diabetes, epilepsy? No. Okay, so no. Sign. Date. So today's date is the 16th.
The woman at Service Ontario the other day said I should be showing
Do your Z?
Yeah, I did everything already.
Do you have the certificate showing me? I'm not.
Counter number 7. Now serving C223 at counter number 13.
Let's just see, add your test results.
This is it.
July 22nd. Up at Wilson and
Just finished testing. Actually the process right now, so just want to video with different
but I'm not
phone.
going to pass the eye
So
test. That's what
like
started
here I may say we fully but we just pass after I think the third try. Fully pass it right now. We get the ACZ, so that means we can drive anything again. Back on the road. We still can drive anything right now, but we have to renew because we're in at Christmas time, right? So we have to renew it every 5 years. So just get it done. So right now we just have to take the picture and fill out the paperwork and hope to go. You see the people. So again, my people, I always try to get a license if I can. Good, great backup in your life. If anything go fall short in your life, you see the people. So go on, go and watch it. Go take the picture and thing. You still have to pay the money. So again, every time you fail, you have to pay $23. So imagine if you like the guy who failed 16 times.
We have to do a photo.
Yeah.
And I just got to get you to sign here first. Put your signature here without touching the red line.
Oh crap, I touched it by a bit.
It might be okay. Let's take a look. I'll scan it. See if it's okay. Now stand back there. Look straight at the lens. No smile, mouth closed. Yeah, we'll have to redo your signature though.
Let me make that phone call and see because it's not in the system.
Oh no, you moved too fast. You
Oh, I thought you said to
No.
redo it.
Oh yeah, sorry, but
let me just
yeah,
read it.
yeah, redo.
$200
Did the doctor submit to the ministry already?
Yes.
That's why it's here. So it says here the contact.
No, she
Okay, hold on.
submitted this.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll do your photo. Just stand there.
And then she submitted all this stuff, the waiver.
Each time you want to service a carrier to renew the license.
Yes.
What did it tell
Okay,
you?
hold on for 1
Said there wasn't
second.
any system,
That's on the same thing here.
but it's got to be because some stuff all went there.
So let me make that phone call. Okay, and then we'll tell you what time.
Good. Come back.
So I'm 227, right? I
So
don't
yes,
have
the
my
people
ticket.
will just finish up now.
You are have priority seniority. Have a seat.
Okay, I'll sit down.
You need to go.
Now serving
Yes, the people so we'll just finish up now. We have to pay. We have to pay $90 also. When you do this, you finish, pay for your license also. So we have to go pay over $90. And when also we're done with this exam and trucking renewal thing again, because sometimes I think I just get here, getting on my people. About 2 weeks or 3 weeks now, depend on me, I just say, you know what, I don't want to go, because I don't want to fail some practice couple times online, but the same question when you ask online, and the same question you ask here, so
Okay, it's $90. You can tap here.
$90 now. So now this is off I'm in and thing, because like I say, just go and go try it and see the type of question in them ask and try to memorize them and stuff like that. So you know, if you do feel and you go back again now, you know, sorry, the one they wrong the last time or this or that, so you know, so you can get a way out of it. You see my people. So right now, so what happened, probably have to go up the road and do a vlog video for me, you know, my people see a little thing going on.
Sign here. Okay. And that's you.
Jeez. Here. And that's it.
Everything's good. Before I let you go, hold on. I just want to make sure I got everything here. Photo, yes. 90, okay. The TDL's there. And just make sure I'm not missing anything before I send it off. Yep, you're good. Okay, so your next medical is due in 2029, March 11th, okay?
Okay, and then
Have a good day.
alright, thank you. Yes, so people, so we just fully get back a full license. We have a full license already, but we just fully renew it right now. We just go leave the place and people. And we go to talk a little bit louder, because you don't know government place, we can't really talk too loud. But yes, we people, we finally get it, we're finally done. It's finally here. I finally have the license. Yeah, man, my people, finally renew it. Finally get it over with. I'm so happy. You not even know how happy me am to just get it over with, you know, my people, because it's on my mind all day, all night. Me I think about it, you know. So yo, hope for my pass, hopefully my pass. Because I'm pray to Father God, I say I have a trust in Father God, you know, my people. And I say I can't spend so much more money again, enough. I go back again, you know. So I take my time again, I take my time and go so bam 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 and pass it this time, you know, my people. You don't even know the joy, man. Yo, amount of time when people do them tests, you know. Remember one man, you know, a 16 time him fail yesterday, you know, for G1, you know. And go back and go back and go back and go back, you know, you know much. So you tell me, I don't know for $10 or $12 or $23 then still feel like me. But you check up $23 by 16. And you see how much money that man they spend. But at the end of the day, I'm still get it. And get it, so him fight the fight. You see it, so more time again, my people. You just have to look back over, take your time, and if you can't answer the question at the same time, you skip the one and I do this time say, you know what? I'm going to come back to the one and keep it in my back of my head and say which one right in them. And skip and skip and skip. I skip about 4 or 5. But you still have to do them, you know. You see it, but I skip. Till I go back to them, you see it, my people. But yes, my people, we'll pass and we're good to go. So again, people, hopefully you like the vlog, yeah? Please make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel, because a whole heap of different vlogs that come now, my people. Like me say, we get back with vibes to do back more vlogging video. We get back with energy again, you know. We've been missing for a little bit, so now we're up again, you see it, my people. So thanks everybody again. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel.